or a new website for...
All right, HVAC people, got no cooler call here Monday morning. Let's see what we got first thing Monday morning. No cooling call. Let's just see here. Morning.
Good morning. I had to put her up because she was on board. You see it?
Yeah, no problem. What's going on?
He's hiding here.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Is it blowing it off? You show me where the thermostat is. Then I probably need to get in the attic. You leave it on or you turn it off?
I turned it off.
Okay, good. Okay. And it's 78. Let's see here. 78. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna take a peek in the attic and then I'll work my way outside.
Okay.
All right. Oh,
just move. You go.
Okay.
Oh, I moved back to you. But I left your thing yet.
All right. So it is blowing. You've been changing your filters? Look like it needs to be changed because when it cave in like that.
I think it's because it's kind of weird.
Tight.
It's kind of tight,
Okay.
so I had to push it.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, that's the size that they told me.
Okay, yeah, 20 by 30. It seems like that's the right size. Let me see here. Yeah, okay. The thing is, you see those metal things? It should be the opposite way. Let me show you. It ain't gonna fall down that way.
I don't think so.
It should be some arrows, but the arrows should point.
To the direction.
Yeah.
I thought I put it in there, right?
Yeah, see it point down.
Oh, it's the wrong. Okay.
Yeah. So let's flip this. All right. I'm not saying that's what's wrong with the unit, but
Yeah, but then.
yeah, it's kind of tight. Okay. All right.
Good about that. That's how you feel about it. And then it's weird because when I first had issues, it seemed like every year, it was just like, oh, you gotta put one in here. Then they said, well, no, you don't have to put one in there.
Right.
Put one here. I'm like, well, shit, which one is it?
Yeah. Just right here.
Okay, because
It
I was like,
can be either or. You
you
can have it up there or down here, but you can't have both. And you probably got one downstairs too, right? Oh, is that the only one? That's the only one? Oh yeah. It's not one in like the master bedroom or anything?
I wish. They said, well, I guess it's how they did the house or whatever.
Okay.
What name?
Okay, yeah. No problem.
He was trying to show my sister, I'm not gonna climb up there.
I heard that. No, it's best to just put it right there where you get it. Yeah, okay. All right. Everything looks decent up here. Yeah. Line there. All right, so we got no refrigerant flow. No refrigerant flow. Gonna go outside. Let's see what we got here. HVAC people. If I can get a cap and go first thing Monday morning, that'd be right up my alley. And I got a busy day today. I don't know though. It sounds like it's on. I ain't feel no refrigerant flow. Maybe that's just a fan. Yep, we got only fan here. I say only fan. Only fan. Not the website, but the condenser fan. So when you got only fan, that means you got ambient air blowing on top. You can see about 79 degrees. It's probably about 79 degrees out here. So I got 75. So let's see what's going on here. And I think it's probably going to be the cap because I don't think it got nothing to do with the refrigerant. Sometimes it'd be like very warm air blowing. Something like that. electrical problem going on here. Gotta clean all this up. That's that herm, but you see it's 3 right there. Burn all up. So might well put a new cap on there. So we definitely gotta repair some of these wires here. Let's go ahead and get started on here. Alright, let's see here. Show me what you're working with. Let's see here. I'm feeling this meter, man. I like it. Katy Switch HT-T08. Anybody interested, links will be in the description. Yeah, man, I ain't got to do a lot of cleaning up with this thing, look like. I just wish this magnet, I could probably make my own magnet, but wish I had a magnet on here. Let's see. The only thing. So we got 24, 27 volts. Zero there, leg to leg, 0, 0. All right, so for me to check volts, I gotta put it right here. Then I gotta press function. You got the VFD and it got the voltage. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. I'm gonna go ahead and put a new capacitor on here for sure. Discharge the cap. All right. Purple. 50 by 5 cap. I think I'm gonna have me a seat here. Have me a seat and get to work. All right, so first, these are melted. So I'm gonna try to clean that up. Clean all these wires up. Sure. So let me know in the comment section what would cause these wires to burn up like this, or melt. I'm checking all of them because they probably got hot. See, this one burned completely off. Sometimes you have loose connections and that can cause it. I think that's the main reason. And the other reason, leave in the comment. Right. Some overamping. Put these spades on here, get these good and tight. And clean them up one at a time. This one right here, this look okay. That don't look too bad, it just kind of burnt. I'm gonna leave that. Leave this one. See if we can check this capacitor here. This hard start. And go to capacitant. Let me see here. Function. Okay, that's my capacitance right here. Start. Look like I got two. I wonder that hard start still good. Some people say you gotta put a diode on there, so it might not be reading correctly though. Alright. This one here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got 50 on the meter. So I might keep this meter here myself and just put me a magnet on here. It's a one-stop shop. I can do a lot with this meter. So it's rated for 50. I'm getting 50.2. So that's good. All right, let's see what else we need to clean up here. All right. I think everything else looks good. I'm going to go ahead and get this one mounted. So we got that mounted. These two wires right here, my hard start. I'm gonna put one on common. I'm gonna put one on high. Connections are tight. This right here burnt. I'm gonna need to clean this up. This is a common right here. I might even, when I cut it, it's gonna be a little short. So I got another spade right here. This come off a fan motor. I'm gonna use this instead. So I'm gonna take this one out. Put this one on right here. It's common on this side. So we want to stretch ourselves thin. Cut it right here. Splice that. There's a spade on here. Bam. Go. Okay, there we go. So now we ain't got to worry about it. That's a good fit. What else we got? Purple. That should go on common. We got a fan. So I'll go on this back side back here. Oh, the fan, that's real loose. Tighten up on that a little bit. Yeah. Right there. That's good. Alright, so now small wire should be my hand. That's good and tight. Alright. should be able to rock and roll. Check some amps. I'm gonna turn it on. Since that compressor was off, I think this is my compressor right here. Okay, let's go ahead and check inrush amps also. Go to function, inrush. All right, so check my inrush amps. Here we go, inrush. Ready to fire it up here. Clean it up a little bit. All right, see what we're working with. Inrush is 120. Function. Compressor amps about 11. 11.6. Condenser fan motor 1.1. Kind of hard to see the nameplate right there, but see what the manufacturer rating is. Fan motor. I see. It looks like 1.3. Compressor 13. Looks like 19. Let's check the leading temperature from the condenser. Maybe we're 79. So we got a good leading temperature on the condenser. We ain't got to worry about checking no pressure. You get the split right here. You got to get about 15 degrees or something like that. 15, 20 degrees. It'll be good. We got to check pressures every time. Every time we go out gauge, we're going to lose some refrigerant. So I got 95. It's about 80 degrees, that's 15 degrees right there. So we know it's moving heat from the house. Alright, it's back, people. That's a cap and go. Repair some wires. It should be good to go. Hit that like and subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Hit that bell for notification. We're going to do a giveaway on that meter here soon.